well, this is not another video. And I just got Watch Dogs today, so that is good. Yes, that's all good. I know it came out maybe a couple days ago, but I just got it today. I am working on getting Season Pass, and I have been I've played a little bit more than off recording. So let's get started. I'm going to be starting a Minecraft series, by the way, too. So yeah, keep an eye out for that. It'd be good if you were able to subscribe and like. If you want this to be a series, then I will think about that. If we get over maybe around 100 likes, because I'm not trying to go big or anything, for now, if we get over 100 likes around there, then I'll probably think about putting it into a series. But if we get to 500 or higher, then I'll guarantee. I'm not trying to make it that high. Okay, so from the apartment. Oh yeah, be warned of any spoilers, by the way. So if you're watching this and you're planning on getting it,
Nikki, hey,
I advise you to play it on your own.
It's almost over. Where are you?
I'm on my way.
You make me crazy. Jackson's really looking forward to it. Get over here. We miss you.
Miss you too. I'll be there. Sorry, Nick, I need to take this. I'll see you soon.
I've already got through this part.
Look, if you need some wheels, give me a call. I'll set you up.
Pre-owned cars.
You'd rather register yourself at a car dealer? I don't ask questions. This guy gets me right at one.
I will be back. I'm going to do something. Well, I'm going to do it right now because it's not that really important. Dang it. Now it's a difficulty level to be there we go. Okay, I just want to put the brightness down.
I just might. How's Maurice doing?
The brightness is pretty bad. I'm sorry, I will do this later on camera next time.
Sunshine and buttercups.
Alright, you know what? Let's
My
forget
little
it.
dumping place.
I need him alive, Jordy.
Okay.
Yeah, live. Whatever.
Is that just like a just
I'd pop them and be done, but
a map?
you pay me
Or is a map like that?
right, I'll keep them.
I think it adjusts the map. Go back.
Alive as long as you want.
Yeah, it adjusts the map. Okay. Sorry for that, I just want to pick that up.
I do work for a paycheck.
Okay, oh, best driving ever! Yeah. Popo? Is it on me? Hopefully not. I have time for that. Ain't nobody got time for it. Wait, is it following me? It is. No. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's top on there. I don't think I seem to notice. That was me. They didn't seem to. Okay, let's go. Okay, this is, I've already seen Pewits play this.